Okay, get ready, because I am about to tell you the biggest, most mind-blowing secret in the entire world. This is a secret that Wall Street, all those people in fancy suits, they will do literally anything to stop you from hearing this. You ready? Let's go. That's right, I'm talking to you. I have some really, really terrible news. All that hard work, all that sweating and stressing and hustling you're doing, it is burning a giant hole right through your bank account. Everything you've ever been taught about working hard to get rich, it's a giant lie. And it's time to find out the truth. So imagine you want to cook the most amazing meal ever. The hustler, right? The guy who thinks more work means more money. He grabs a flamethrower. A flamethrower. He's blasting the food. He's stirring like a crazy person every 30 seconds. He's sweating and panicking. And the result? It's a burnt, disgusting piece of charcoal. But then you've got the lazy investor. He takes the same piece of meat, plops it in a crock pot, sets it to low, puts the lid on, and then goes to watch a movie. And what happens a few hours later? The most perfect, tender, delicious meal you've ever had. So who worked harder? The flamethrower guy. But who ate like royalty? The lazy one on the couch. And that is because what you thought was just being lazy, well, it's actually your greatest, most powerful, money-making superpower. And we're about to turn it on. See, the folks on Wall Street, they need you to think that investing is like brain surgery. They want you to be completely terrified, thinking that if you press the wrong button, the whole thing will just explode. They want you to believe it's so crazy complicated that you have to pay them giant piles of your cash to do it for you. But you know what? Warren Buffett, he knows the real secret. It's not brain surgery. It's just a slow cooker. And I'm going to give you the rest. All right, every hero needs some awesome gear, right? We are about to unlock your first legendary item. This is your first step to becoming totally unstoppable. Let's get your first power up, the haystack. You know, Warren Buffett saw all these people digging around like crazy, stressing themselves out, and he asked this one simple, genius question that changed everything. He said, "Why are you looking for the needle? Just buy the haystack." What on earth could that mean? Well, it means this. An index fund. Now, don't let that boring name fool you, okay? An index fund is like a magic treasure chest, a basket of champions. Instead of spending your whole life digging through a giant haystack, hoping you find one tiny golden needle, that one magic stock, you just buy the whole thing. If you own the entire haystack, you are guaranteed to own the golden needle. You don't even have to look for it. It's already yours. Now, the most famous haystack out there is called the S&P 500. But let's be real, let's call it what it is. The most exclusive VIP nightclub in the entire world. Only the 500 biggest, baddest, most powerful companies in America get in. And here's the best part. The club has these huge, scary bouncers. If a company starts losing money, if it becomes a loser, the bouncers grab them and throw them out. And who takes their spot? The next big rising star, ready to party. The club cleans itself. It kicks out the losers and brings in the winners, and you get to own a tiny piece of the whole club. Okay, so you've got your haystack. You're in the VIP club. Now it's time for level 2. We are about to unleash some serious magic on your money with 2 brand new power-ups, the snowball and the rabbit colony. Okay, imagine you're at the top of a giant snowy mountain. You make a little snowball, just the size of a baseball, and you give it a tiny nudge. At first, honestly, it's pretty pathetic. After a year, maybe it's the size of a basketball. But you just wait. After 10 years, your snowball has grown to the size of a house. And after 30 years, it's a thundering, unstoppable avalanche, crushing everything in its path. That is the power we're talking about. Or, hey, think about it this way. Welcome to the rabbit colony effect. Imagine your money isn't money. It's 2 cute little rabbits. You put them in a cage, that's your investment account, and you just leave them alone. What happens? They have babies. And then what did those baby rabbits do? They grow up and have their own babies. And pretty soon you've got 50 rabbits, then 200, then thousands. Your money is literally working for you, making more and more money babies. But this is where most people make the biggest mistake of their lives. They get impatient. They open up the cage and they take out a few rabbits to buy a new phone. They sell some of their investment. No, don't do it. You are eating your workers. You are eating the potential parents of millions and millions of future rabbits. You have one job, lock the cage and let them do their thing. So if this is all so simple, why isn't everybody a billionaire? Well, because this next part, this is the final boss battle. The math is easy, but defeating the enemies inside your own brain, oh man, that's the hard part.
Let me just prove how bonkers our brains are. Imagine you walk into a supermarket and see a giant sign. Sale! Steaks, usually $50, are now just $5. What do? Do you scream and run away? Of course not. You grab 2 shopping carts and you buy every single steak you can find because it's the same steak, it's just on sale. But when the stock market goes on sale, when the best companies in the world are 30% off, what do our brains do? They scream, sell, sell, the world is ending. We do the exact opposite of what makes sense. To help you beat this, I want you to meet someone. His name is Manic Mike, and he's your very strange neighbor. And every single morning, Mike stands on your lawn and screams a price for your house. On Monday, he's super happy. I'll buy your house for $10 million. You feel rich, but you just ignore him. But then on Tuesday, Mike is super sad, he's crying, and he screams, your house is garbage. It's worth $500. Now, here's the real question. Do you panic and sell your wonderful house for $500 just because crazy Mike said so? No way! You'd laugh and shut the curtains. Well, that's what. The stock market is Manic Mike. Every single day it's screaming a crazy new price at you. Your one job is to learn to ignore him.
Okay, you know the theory. You're ready to ignore Mike. You're ready to let your rabbits do their thing. So how do you actually do it? It is time for your ultimate 3-step battle plan. This is the couch potato protocol. Step 1, the bucket. You gotta have a place to put the money, a brokerage account. Pick any of the big ones. It really doesn't matter. It takes 10 minutes on your phone, super easy. Step 2, the robot butler. This is the most important part. You set up automatic investing. You basically tell your robot butler, every month, take this money from my bank account and buy more of the haystack. Don't ask me, just do it. This totally removes your panicky brain from the equation. And then, step 3, the hardest step of all, do absolutely nothing. You still don't believe that doing nothing is the most powerful move you can make? Well, a famous study looked at which investment accounts made the most money over a long time. And you know who the winners were? People who were dead. I'm not kidding, literally. Or people who completely forgot they even had an account. And why? Because they couldn't panic. They couldn't sell when things got scary. They just let the snowball roll and the rabbits breed. Your goal is to be a financial ghost. So you've done it. You've followed the plan. You've embraced being lazy. You've let years and years go by. What's the grand prize at the end of this whole epic adventure? What's the final reward? Okay, picture it. It's 20 years from now. You're at a barbecue. Over by the grill, you see stressed Steve, the hustler. He's got these dark circles under his eyes. He's glued to his phone, yelling about some crypto coin. He's still working himself to death. And then there's you. You're just chilling. You look 10 years younger. You haven't even checked your account in months because, honestly, you forgot the password. Again, but you know your snowball is now a full-on avalanche. And that's because you finally understood the ultimate secret, which Buffett said perfectly right here. The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Every single time stressed Steve panicked and sold his stocks, he was basically just handing his future wealth directly over to you. You didn't outsmart him, you just outweighted him. But after all that time, what's the real treasure? Look, it's not about having a swimming pool full of gold coins. It's not about a fancy car. The prize at the end of this journey, it is something so much better, so much more powerful. Freedom. The freedom to wake up and do whatever you want with your day. The freedom to not worry about bills. The freedom to live your life on your terms. That is the true prize. And all it costs you is the courage to be lazy.